Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing what the hotspot needs: SSID, password, and security type. Once you have those, open the QR generator or the hotspot QR feature on the host device. Make sure the hotspot is powered and not in airplane mode, then set the network name exactly as you want devices to see it. When ready, choose the option to export or create a hotspot QR. This first step prevents typos and mismatched settings later, which are the most common setup blockers. Now generate the QR using a Wi-Fi template so the type, SSID, and password are embedded correctly. Enter WPA2 or WPA3 as the security type. Weaker or open settings expose the network. Preview the encoded text to verify accuracy before saving. Once the QR is created, save it as a high-resolution image or print it. Then immediately test by scanning with another phone to confirm the hotspot credentials connect as expected, catching any typos. To finish, have the client device scan the QR with its camera or a QR Wi-Fi scanner. Then follow the Connect prompt to join the hotspot. Once connected, confirm internet access by loading a website. If the device won't join, first ensure the host hotspot is broadcasting and not limited by a device whitelist. Next, recheck SSID spelling, password, and selected security type. Regenerate the QR if any mismatch exists. A quick restart of both devices often clears lingering connectivity bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.